Okay, so now we are going to simplify this expression here. First thing we're going to do is looking at this expression, this part here, we're going to apply our reduction formula. And looking at this one here, it's negative angles, right? If you remember, negative angles, your sine of a negative angle is equals to negative sine of theta, and then your cos of negative angle is equals to cos of theta, and then your tan of negative angle is equals to negative tan of theta. So for this problem here, it's cos of a negative angle, meaning that it's going to be positive cos of theta. And then as for the tangent, this tangent here, which we're going to reduce, so it's going to be tan of 360 degrees plus theta, which in this quadrant, which is quadrant 1, if you look clearly, so doing our cast diagram, we know very well that 360 degrees plus theta lies in the first quadrant. 360 degrees plus theta, where all our trig ratios are positive. So all of them are positive. So this means now that this tan of 360 degrees plus theta is simply going to be tan of theta, right? And then looking at this one here, which is cos of 360 degrees minus theta, which lies in the fourth quadrant, right? So it lies in the fourth quadrant where 360 degrees minus theta, where we have our cos as positive. So it's also 270 degrees plus theta. So in this case, because we have 360 degrees minus theta, and we know very well that in the fourth quadrant, cos is positive, so we're simply going to have cos of theta. So now that we've found our solution for tan of theta, tan of 360 degrees plus theta, and the negative angle, so we're simply going to write tan of theta, in this case, multiplied by this one here, which is cos of minus theta, which is going to be cos of theta, divide by our cos of theta, right? Then the cos of theta is going to divide out. We will remain with tan of theta. So this is going to be the solution for our answer here. So now what I want you to know is that you can always check your solutions on whether or not they are correct. So the method to check is to substitute an angle in these details here. So you're going to substitute one angle in all these details here and try to compare it with this solution here. So what you're going to do is, let's say theta is equals to 30 degrees. So you're going to substitute 30 degrees in all these details here of your given problem. And the solution that I found was that it is square root of 3 over 3. Right? So if you punch your calculator and put theta here, which is 30 degrees, you're going to get root of 3 over 3. Now, another thing you're going to do is you're also going to put your 30 degrees in your answer. Because the answer is tan of theta, you're going to put 30 degrees here. And the answer that I'm getting is root of 3 over 3. So basically, this is how you check on whether or not the problem that you solved is correct or not. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please write them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.